Kiran, is it in focus? This is the major problem actually. It's in focus, right? Okay. Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. So finally we reached Manali and we are experiencing the first snowfall of the season. Uh, we got like very excited and we were expecting a snowfall, but at least like we thought like couple of days ago it might have snowed, but luckily it snowed on the right time. Like the moment we arrived, it started snowing in Manali, experiencing the first snowfall of the season. How do you feel, Prerna?
I feel relieved because I've seen this place brown for more than a month and a half, which it shouldn't be, so it's great. Also, it's my first snowfall of 2024.
Hey Kiran, what's up?
Snowfall outside, snowfall right here. Look at this.
That's such a good one. That's a good one. You go from like snowflakes.
You think actually
Snowflakes to cream flakes.
look outside. Look
Yeah, it's. Oh my god, this is one of the. Like, we have seen like many snowfalls, but seasons first is something like, special actually, always. And it snowed like, very late this season. So the mountains was experiencing really bad winter season. And yeah, finally we are here. So this is going to be the first episode of the journey, what we are going to do. We're making a small documentary. I'll reveal what we are shooting later in later stages, so that will be like, it's better to we keep little surprised. And whew, feels so good.
Yeah, it's thicker.
Yeah, it's much thicker now. It's a proper snow actually.
It's like when there's a fire and then there's ash.
Yeah,
It looks like that.
it's a volcanic one, the volcanic ash. Yeah. Yeah, so yes, the journey was like quite a journey. And okay, so I'll keep you posted what's next, what way we are heading towards, and what we are doing. See you.
Hello. क्या हाल है
How are you?
हेलो जी हाय
Hey mate, nice to meet you, David.
Hi, I'm Prerna. Nice to meet you. Gaurav?
यस और
What's up?
सुधीर
और बताओ.
ऑल गुड आप बताओ
आप बताओ.
थोड़ा 2-4 बार और बोलो ना.
बर्फ पड़ गया मुबारक हो
Finally.
सभी को फाइनली
It's like a long list.
lot of things
I thought it was maybe work because I told you days before.
Don't worry. There'll be time for that.
Yeah. I've been trying another AI called Pika. To mix